All right, well, good afternoon. We are here again at Drax with Avery Johnson. Some of you may remember her from the Jamaica U17 team that recently played in the CONCACAF U17 women qualifiers. Unfortunately, the team didn't make it, but it was good to have you representing Jamaica. Good to see you on the soil. How are you doing?
You as well. Thank you. I'm doing good. What about you?
I am doing good.
Good.
I'm doing good. It's a little bit hot, but I'm doing well.
Yeah.
So tell us, what are you doing here in Jamaica? What's happening here at Drax?
Me and my teammate Mia Mitchell, who played on the under 20s for Jamaica, we are hosting a clinic for girls here, just getting them out and playing, just trying to help them in whatever way we can.
How many days will it be held?
It's only 2 days this year. We were going to do 3, but only 2 days this year. But in future years, we intend to extend the amount of time that we do this clinic for.
Right. And what are some of the things that you do? Do you provide them with gears and equipment?
Yeah, so when they first come in, we register them, get their name, we get their position as well, so we can split them up into teams. And they each get their own soccer bag with a shirt, shorts, and socks, and then they also get free boots. So they all get that gear, they get to keep it, and they get to keep it.
Wonderful. So how did you guys raise the funds to provide all of these equipment?
So we just really made sure to just get as much outreach as possible. Back in the States, we talked to all of our teammates, we got coaches involved, we got the foundations involved, and we just really did our best to get our word out and explain what our purpose was and how all we're trying to do is just help. And everyone was very willing to pitch in whatever ways they could. So.
Right, and what are your thoughts in terms of what you have seen? Have you spotted any talent, or do you have a good eye for spotting talent?
I think I do. I personally I love watching soccer. We do have some pretty good talent out here. Obviously, it's not as maybe organized as we would have wanted it, but there's definitely some talent out here.
All right, wonderful. Listen, I'm going to allow AJ to get back to her coaching duties. But thank you, AJ. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. And it was a pleasure speaking with you.
Of course. Thank you.